Scene Island fam, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. Yes, another vlog. It's not gonna be long because I just gonna do a little DIY and thing. So today I am going to DIY my desk. Well, it's not my desk, it's actually a nightstand. It's supposed to be my room, but because I'm always out in the drawing room doing my work and I have no desk, I just moved the nightstand from my bedroom to the drawing room to put my computer on and do all my work. But it's looking kind of ratchet now, it's janky. It used to be white. I tried to spray paint it brown. I didn't have enough spray paint, so now parts of it brown, parts of it white. On top of that, the brown spray paint kind of scraping off, so it's not pleasant to the eye now. I'll show you what it's looking like, but I'm going to revamp my nightstand and make it look all glam, because you know we are doing over my room now. I tell you already, I'm doing over my room, but I'm doing it in parts. So we're going to revamp it today, make it look nice, and I'll show you all. So let me just show you all what it's looking like before, so like I get a before and after and thing. I kind of rambling, so let me show you and we'll get into this DIY. So this is what my disgusting desk is looking like. Y'all can see it kind of brown, and the brown coming off. You see, I didn't have enough spray paint, so you seen all of that, and then you seen parts of white over here. You see the spray paint, I ran out of spray paint, so I bought 2 cans of black spray paint. Hopefully that's enough. I don't have to go back to the store and get any more, but you see how it looking. It barely could fit my stuff, but that's what is used to do my work. So that's how it looking. So let's go and spray paint this, and then we'll add the niceness to it after it's done drying now. Yeah. So I have the spray paint here. It says for interior and exterior, so that we hope it hold on the table. So I'm about to spray paint my table. Unfortunately, I don't have a top, so I had to put it on the ground just like that, and I don't really care because I don't care if outside gets spray paint. It's not like I'm doing it inside the house or something. So I'm about to spray paint this ish. Oh my god! I have spray paint on my favorite sweater! Why? I'm taking it off. So I just got done spray painting it, and if I come closer you can see it's super blotchy. Like you can still see the brown kind of shining through, and I'm almost out of spray paint, even though okay, please adjust camera. Yeah, even though I sprayed it with 2 cans of spray paint, I definitely need for it to dry and go over it with another coat. So I'm going to have to buy 2 more cans of spray paint. So clearly this DIY project is not going to be done today, so I'm going to let that dry. I'm not sure how long it's going to take to dry. I didn't even spray the back. Like, it's looking so ratchet. I need to spray the back, so I definitely need to get at least 3 more cans of spray paint to make sure that this is thoroughly covered before I put anything else on it. So that will be it for today, and I'll come back to you all when I have more spray paint. Okay guys, so it's like about 2 days later. I think it's a day after. Yeah, I spray painted this yesterday. Y'all can see it's still a little blotchy, but I went to the store today and I didn't get any more black spray paint. So, and babe told me that I can use black oil paint, but I need to use my desk. Well, it's not a desk, it's a nightstand. I use it as a desk, but I need to use it. I have a lot of work to do. I need somewhere to put my computer and get my work done, so I want to finish this desk. I could always go over it afterwards, like in the areas that are blotchy, like here where you could still kind of see the brown and stuff. I could always go over it afterwards with the black oil paint, and I can use a brush. It won't make a mess everywhere or whatever. So right now I'm just going to finish decorating it, because right now, as you can see, it's black and it's just plain black, nothing to it, just black. So I want to give it a little pop. I don't have everything that I need to give it a pop, but I do have these. It's kind of like gems. I got them at the craft store. It's like a whole roll and it's all sparkling cute. So I'm going to be adding this to this and making it look cute. So that's what I'm going to do. I have a lot of this here, like a whole lot. Well, hopefully this is enough. So I have that and I'm going to start putting them on here to make it look cute. I'm going to eventually get a mirror because I want the top to be mirrored. So I'm going to get a big piece of mirror that I can stick at the top here. So real cute and nice and good. Where am I? Look at that. Look at that. What is that? Anyway, so I'm going to stick this on. I have my decorative, whatever this is called. I really don't know what it's called, but it's cute. And I have my glue gun and some glue sticks. So I'm going to get started. Okay guys, so it's been about 45 minutes and this right here, this is all I've gotten done. 45 minutes because it's taking way longer than I thought to stick these because of the curve. Like if it was just straight, I probably would have been done already, but because of the curve, it's taking it way longer than I anticipated to get this done. So yeah, I'm done with here. So now on to the rest of it. Okay, so before you all come at me and tell me that a glue gun is not going to hold these things on it, I already know this. This is only temporary because I wanted to do something completely different, but right now I can't get the things that I want to do it, and I know that this, like if you pull it hard enough, this will peel off. This is just temporary because I'm sick of looking at that ugly nightstand. Like it was terrible. So I was sick of looking at it. I wanted it to look better. So I decided, yeah, it's temporary and eventually I'll do what I really want to do with it. It's gonna look great and it'll look awesome in my room. So don't come at me and tell me a glue gun is not going with. The store that I want to get this stuff from is still not open yet. Even though stores are allowed to open, that particular store still is not open yet. So I cannot get supplies and I'm sick of looking at it like this. So yeah, I think it looks bomb.com compared to what it was looking like. So yeah, look at it, look at it, look at it. I'm so proud of myself. Like I can't even look at it. It looks nothing like what it was looking like before, and I'm proud of it. So